We are a family business. We've been around for 158 years. Currently, the fourth, fifth and sixth generations are involved in the business. We manufacture stairlifts. In fact, we've manufactured over 1 million stairlifts and shipped those and supplied those globally. We also have a commercial arm of the business where we service and maintain passenger lifts and goods lifts across the United Kingdom. I spent my holidays doing work experience in the factories in Andover. So I became very familiar with the business, and of course I was seeing my father get up every day and going into work in the family business. So when I left university, after a short stint in publishing, it was a natural progression for me to sort of come into the business and learn the ropes. And learn the ropes is very much what I did. I started in the factory. I learned how to weld. I spent periods of time in the purchasing department, in product development, and even running service branches. So, we were very much of the ethos that if family members join the business, they really must learn the business from the bottom upwards. We're fortunate enough to be operating in a market that's growing, and it's growing because of the demographics. Now that means also that it's become a very competitive marketplace. So for us to grow, we need to constantly innovate, expand our product range, and get into new areas and new niches in the market. We've recently opened up a new business, and that business supplies, home lifts. Home lifts are designed to be installed, directly into people's homes. So that is one example of a growth strategy. We're constantly innovating, and what we're trying to do is to stay well ahead of the competition and design really sleek and stylish contemporary products that actually almost feel like a designer piece of furniture. And I've got one example here on my left hand side. This is a new product. It's our 158 chair. We've launched it to celebrate 158 years in business. It allows our product category to become more desirable. Possibly, actually, because we're right on the stretch of the A303 near Stonehenge, and it is an enormous bottleneck. So I would say, let's get on the Stannah Stairlift.